In this lab, you will explore the capabilities of multiple types of sensors. Place the control box and base plate next to each other. Plug in the box. Install sensor holder A on the right side of the base plate. Secure the bracket to the base plate using the thumb screws. Secure the carrier on the left side of the base plate using the thumb screws. You can loosen these thumb screws to move the carrier when necessary. Install the photoelectric barrier in the carrier using the small thumb screws. Make sure that the reflective part is in front of the photoelectric sensor. Carefully install the fiber optic cable. As you install the cable, make sure you do not bend it past the limit. First, install it to the light guide. Then install each end of the cable into the barrier and bracket. Plug each sensor from the holder into the box. Make note of what sensor you plug into which port. To record data, place one of the measuring plates in between the two carriages. Record data according to the table for sensor holder A on your lab sheet. Indicate whether the sensor is on or off as seen by the red light above the sensor's corresponding port. When you have finished testing the plates according to table 1, move the barrier guide to the halfway point on the base plate. Reinstall the thumb screws, securing the barrier guide. Continue taking data as outlined in table 1. When you are done with sensor holder A, remove it from the base plate. Install sensor holder B to the base plate using the thumb screws as you did for sensor holder A. Install the first measuring plate according to the table for sensor holder B. Plug each sensor into the box as you did for sensor holder A, making note of which sensor uses which port. Record data according to the table for sensor holder B, changing the measuring plate as needed. For each measuring plate, record data 3 times. When you are done with sensor holder B, remove it from the base plate. Install sensor holder C to the base plate using the thumb screws as you did for the previous sensors. Install the white measuring plate in the carriage using the small thumb screws. It should be installed so that the metal cylinder is in front of the read contact. Plug each sensor into the box, making note of which sensor uses which port. Record data according to the table for sensor holder C. When you are finished recording data, unplug everything and return it to storage.